Package includes 1 USB 2.07 port hub, 1 5V, 4A power adapter, 1 USB 2.0 cable, 3 feet, 1 owner's manual. Installs with plug-and-play ease. Complies with USB specification version 2.0. Backward compatible with USB 1.1. Check your device loading current when used for charging, e.g. iPads, tablets, or for high-power devices, e.g. hard drive. Insufficient current may lead to slow charging or other failure. Data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. Refer to the user manual below before use. Max output per port is 500 mA for 5 regular USB ports, 1.5A for 2 USB fast charging ports. Max ouput is 20W, 5V, 4A, across all 7 ports. For maximum output, apply power adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Great little hub, packs a punch. If you connect through this device with the USB mic, headset, make sure it is connected to its power source. It manages devices well, however it does not manage a power load on its own, so you will need it powered on for your higher load devices to work. It manages the devices well, but is best for just thumb drives etc.